Right? What happened? I was seeing this girl for a little bit, you know. Me and this girl, we get in the car. So she was holding a glass with a drink in it. I just held the glass, which is normal. She's like, okay, no problem. So then we're driving. She's like, okay, just put it in the middle. I'm like, no. The second time she said put it in the middle, I was like, no, just leave it. I'll hold it. She was like, okay, if it's your car, I'm getting out. She opened the door while we're driving. I just slammed the brakes. I'm like, oh, like she just took my keys and threw it. And it just hit my face. I understand if me and you have like a heated moment, like you're like, hold the mic like this. I'm like, no. And you're like, just do it. It's my podcast. I know what works. All right. You know, like Darwaza bandar kar. What?
Yeah.
How do you say close? Darwaza bandaro means open.
Bandar means monkey.
The bandaro.
Namandaro means what?
No.
Bandaro, open.
Darwaza band karo means close the door.
Bankaro.
Band karo. Band karo.
Yeah,
close.
can you just shout it out so that they listen to you? They don't listen to me.
Darwaza bankaro.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, that's
Good stuff.
Close the door.
I like
Good stuff. Trying to do a podcast.
Let's go.
Serious business.
All right. We actually did prepare like a intro for you, okay?
Okay.
So here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Honest Hour.